Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So still on decimal numbers, today we'll be looking at writing expanded decimals in compact form. It's changing decimal numbers from compact form to, from expanded form to compact form. Writing expanded decimals in compact form. So let's see how to write an expanded decimal in compact form. Okay, so let's see. Now, this is still going to make use of our place value and value. We need to use the understanding of place value to do this. So let's see. Solution. This is number one. Write these numbers in compact form. Solution. Let's see. 600 plus 30 plus 8 plus 4 over 10 plus 3 over 100. So what you are to do here, what we are to do here is to make sure, number one, make sure the digits are or the place values are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. Make sure the place values are arranged. Remember that in a decimal number, the whole number comes first before going to the fractional part. The whole number comes first before going to the fractional part. And also make sure that it is arranged from the biggest. If you are seeing the place value, maybe you have something like maybe 396.25. Notice that this is 100, this is tens, and this is units. That is the pattern. And then this is the tenth, hundredth. That's how it goes. So you make sure that your place values are arranged in that pattern so that you can just easily take out the digit you are looking for. Okay, so let's see what we have. Now, if you see the place values, you notice that they are all arranged. Hundreds, tens, units. And that then we now move into the fractional part. This is 10. The first thing is 10. Oh, I've mistakenly cleaned 100. Sorry about that. Okay. So what we'll be having here will be now for the 100, for 100 place, this is for 100 place, we have 6. For tens, we have 3. For unit, we have 8. And then what brings in this fractional part is our decimal point. So for this, for there is tenth here, for tenth, we have 4. And then for the hundredth, we have 3. So that is what we are looking at. So this is the compact form of this number. So if you also write this in expanded form, definitely it's going to take you back to this place. Okay, let's move to number 2. This is number 2. Let's see what we have. So our job here is, first of all, you can all see that this has not been arranged. It has not been arranged. Of course, the whole number part should come first before the fractional part. So let's arrange. This is fractional part, this is fractional part, this is fractional part. So I'm only seeing one number in the whole number part. So let's arrange. This implies 6 will come first. 6 will come first plus what else? Now, after the whole number part, all these other ones are fractional parts. So the first place value in the fractional part is 10. So that will give us 4 over 10 plus 100 will come next. 5 over 100 plus 1000 will come next. That will give us 2 over 1000. So it has been arranged. So that will be equal to, so for the unit, we have 6. Now, what brings in the fractional part is a decimal point. Please take note. The decimal point brings in the fractional part. So under 10, we have 4. Under 100, we have 5. Under 1000, we have 2. and that is our answer. Okay, we move down. Number three, I think this also needs to be arranged. So let's arrange this and see what we get. Can see whole number, whole number, whole number, and we are taking it from the biggest. So that will give us 6,000 coming in first, plus there's no 100, so we'll take 30, that's under tens, plus 8, and then plus, these are the fractional parts. There is no tenth, no tenth. So we'll go with the 100, 4 over 100 plus 2 over 1,000. Now you must be very careful here because you've noticed that some place values are missing. Some place values are missing. And if they are missing, you must make sure that those place values missing, that you put 0 in those place values that are missing. So this will give us 1,000, we have 6. After 1,000 should be 100. Sorry, after 1,000 should be 100, 100. And we don't have 100, so we put 0 there. And then we move down to tens, 3, and then unities, 8. After that, we should be having our decimal point. Now, after decimal point, the first place value should be tenth, but there is no tenth here. This starts with 100, so our tenth place value will be 0, and then 100 will be 4, and then 1,000 will be 2, and that will be our answer. Okay, so that is what we have. So see, these are the activity we have to work on. Write in compact form. So we have these questions, 8 of them. Please do well to go through them. Arrange them. If they are not arranged, arrange them first. Now, when you now arrange, if there's any place value that is missing, make sure you put 0 while writing it out in compact form. Thank you very much for watching this video. I believe it was very helpful. All right, so please do well to like, to subscribe, and to share to others. Thank you, and see you in our next video.